preparing to meet the fountain.
If you're in Rome and you hear the fountain, it's most probably about the Trevi Fountain. Even outside Italy, it's one of the most recognizable fountains in the world. You can hear the fountain from a distance because of the huge water pressure.
I haven't seen this crowd even in Colosseum or around it, because I mean, just look at that. We are at the Trevi Fountain, as you might have guessed. One of the most, beloved spots among the tourists. So people say you should come early.
And indeed, if you want to enjoy a fountain in a more quiet setting, you should come at sunrise.
People, of course, throw coins.
Legend says that doing so ensures you'll return to Rome someday or find an Italian husband.
Italians catch around 1 million euros, according to different sources, like around this sum per year in that fountain.
The Trevi Fountain is also fed by the ancient aqueduct built in the 19th BC and still in operation today. However, the water in the Trevi Fountain is not safe to drink, and trying to do so will get you in trouble with the local authorities. Our next stop was Café Greco, one of the oldest cafes in Rome. Among its customers were James Joyce, Hans Christian Andersen, Felix Mendelssohn, Nikolai Gogol, Charles Baudelaire, and many others. The cafe's interior has served as a source of inspiration for many artists and has been depicted in numerous paintings and novels. For an average tourist, the prices are quite expensive. For example, a cup of cappuccino at a table will cost you 12 euros. However, if you opt to stand at the bar, you can enjoy the same drink for a quarter of the price. And we are in this city again, and our next destination is the Pantheon. It was dedicated to all the gods of ancient Rome.
We finally made our way to Pantheon in Rome. It's famous because of its dome. It's an unsupported structure, and it's considered to be the biggest in the world.
And indeed, its diameter is 43 meters. The oculus, or the central opening in the dome, is 8 meters in diameter and provides the only light source for the interior. Another interesting fact is that the diameter of the dome is exactly equal to its height from the floor, creating a sense of balance and symmetry. Now, the Pantheon serves as the final resting place for several notable individuals, including the artist Raphael, the first king of Italy Victor Emmanuel II, and his successor Umberto I. Piazza Navona is one of the most famous and picturesque squares in Rome, Well, you find the most beautiful fountain of the four rivers. As you might have guessed from its name, it represents four major rivers: the Nile, Ganges, Danube, and Rio de la Plata. I just came to a little less known landmark. It's a Roman mosque. It's called the Mouth of Truth. So it's literally like a face, I don't know, of a man or just a fictional character with an open mouth. And the legend says that if a liar places a hand in the mouth, it will bite off the hand. Or if a person utters a lie while the hand is in the mouth, it will bite off the hand. So something like that. It's like situated right there under that tower. Everybody is placing the hand inside the mouth and taking photos, but you might need to stand in the line for that. And my last stop, very sad, is Palazzo Venezia. It's surprisingly quiet for the city center of Rome, and I'm like literally the only person here right now. But look how beautiful it is. The main reason why I came here is because we bought a ticket to see Rome from above, from this Emmanuel statue, and it's like a combi ticket. So Palazzo Venezia and also the museum inside this Emmanuel structure is included for the youth. It's like only €4, so definitely make use of that. Also, the palace itself is pretty cool because you'll see those amazing stairways, arches, windows. So I think it's like a hidden gem. The interior was really stunning, and you can actually relax in that beautiful garden without a ticket. Thank you for sticking with me till the end. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.